Welcome to the Perched Quizmaster. Get ready to test your bird knowledge. Here are 50 birds. We'll show you a picture of a bird, and you'll have 5 seconds to guess its name. The quiz has 3 levels: easy, medium, and hard. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more exciting quizzes. Okay, let's kick off with the easy level. Can you guess the name of this bird? Sparrow. Do you know what this bird is called? Pigeon. What is this bird's name? Crow. Can you identify this bird? Parrot. Which bird is this? Duck. Can you guess the name of this bird? Peacock. Do you know what this bird is called? Owl. What is this bird's name? Eagle. Which bird is this? Flamingo. Can you identify this bird? Penguin. Can you guess the name of this bird? Dove. Do you know what this bird is called? Turkey. What is this bird's name? Swan. Which bird is this? Robin. Can you identify this bird? Seagull. Can you guess the name of this bird? Woodpecker. Now start with the medium level. This level is trickier than the easy one. Let's begin. Here comes your first animal. Can you guess the name of this bird? Kingfisher. Can you identify this bird? Mokau. Do you know what this bird is called? Toucan. What is this bird's name? Cuckoo. Which bird is this? Stork. Can you guess the name of this bird? Falcon. Can you identify this bird? Pelican. Do you know what this bird is called? Albatross. What is this bird's name? Quail. Which bird is this? Hummingbird. Can you guess the name of this bird? Magpie. Can you identify this bird? Canary. Do you know what this bird is called? Hornbill. What is this bird's name? Vulture. Which bird is this? Blue jay. Can you guess the name of this bird? Nightingale. Can you identify this bird? Swallow. Now start with the hard level. This is the ultimate challenge. Only true animal experts can guess them all. Let's begin. Here comes your first animal. Can you guess the name of this bird? Lyrebird. Can you identify this bird? Secretary bird. Do you know what this bird is called? Shoebill. What is this bird's name? Cassowary. Which bird is this? Kiwi. Can you guess the name of this bird? Kakapo. Can you identify this bird? Harpy eagle. What is this bird's name? Hoopoe. Which bird is this? Resplendent quetzal. Can you guess the name of this bird? Mandarin duck. Can you identify this bird? Barn owl. Do you know what this bird is called? Scarlet ibis. What is this bird's name? Frigate bird. Which bird is this? Kookaburra. Can you guess the name of this bird? Greater roadrunner. Can you identify this bird? Snowy owl. Do you know what this bird is called? Jacana. Great job. How many birds did you guess correctly? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this challenge, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new quiz. Thanks for playing, and we'll see you in the next challenge.